Yeah, man, me find it, man. Me find it. With that Canada. Canada. Alright, here what? Here what? Today, we gonna do, we represent for humble beginnings. We're from Jamaica. So we represent for Jamaica, you see me? So here we're going to know. We're going to get to know. Stand fast. Yeah, man. And we're do today, we're going to do Tun Cornmeal, curry chicken back. Real ghetto way, you see me? Yeah, man. And them thing was ghetto mashed potato and chicken, you see me? So here we're going to know. Make we go in the kitchen and we're going to show you how we just start everything from scratch. You see me? So guess what going on now? You forward? You can come figure out, you know? Yeah, man, let me know, man. The address is 377-77-48 3rd of Drive. Find it, man. Oh, yeah, and another thing. I see you guys doing your videos and doing your videos. And I didn't tell you to call my name in it, but big up everybody who support the channel. Leave a like, leave a comment. You know what I mean? That helps the video go, it soar to new heights, and I educate people how to cook. And you know, one day all restaurants are gonna close. So guess what? Let's go in the kitchen and let's start from this. Cause you wanna learn how to cook this before you can cook anything else. So let's go. We're gonna go in the kitchen and we're so agitated like Gordon Ramsay. You understand what you pray? Ready, man, make you go in. Big up Gordon Ramsay every time, you know. Them man they inspire we. Big way. You know what I mean? Otherwise from him, you know see a jar just coffee. Yeah, measure them. Fully measure. Yeah, man. So I could go into the kitchen now and we start. Do the thing the right way, you understand? Yeah, man, take a walk with me, man. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Leave a like, put a comment. You know, so me is a quick responder, so less than 3. Alright guys, so we in the kitchen and now. Yeah, so before me start do all the fancy stuff, me just want to show you raw, uncut. See what it look like, yeah. Chicken back. Nice package. Get it at your favorite superstore. Yeah, man. And you see, you get 3, actually 4 healthy backs. I just break down one of them because I try to see what amount of meat and everything was on it. So you get 3 healthy backs. See it there? Nice and fleshy. We'll clean them up nicely now and make you see it. And then we'll, you know, so we are go hard, you know, we are cook for about 6 hours, isn't it? So this is, oh, you see bonus? Go there, you get some chicken neck. Oh, we're gonna make that work. You understand? And any fat we want them, but we don't want them attached to the meat. We're gonna use them for now. I'll show you how we don't waste nothing in the kitchen. So, bam, I go see pray. Here we have it. So we add some spices to there. So we had about a tablespoon of curry powder into our chicken back. We add some all-purpose seasoning, about 2 tablespoons of that. Some dry Cajun, about a teaspoon of dry Cajun. Alright. Salt, a teaspoon of salt. Here we go. And we have our salt grinder with our kosher salt. And we have our peppercorn, which we add another teaspoon. And here we have it. We have all the blends. Oh yeah, we got some diced onions inside. We're just gonna mix that in now. We have a pot. think of chattings, you know, see the kid thing hot. So watch out now, boots up the flame. Boots up me ego, boots up my flame. I watch you pray now. So we're gonna bring this pot to a nice little heat. And you know what I mean? Talking of parables like Jesus. So bam, we're gonna hit it. Come out now man, you know, come out. We're gonna hit it with about, I would say 4 tables, about, yeah, you don't want too much because the back, you know man, you just want to burn the curry, you know. So I'd say 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You understand? Bam. And you just want to grease the pan, you know, that's all you do. Remember with the amount of chicken back now. So guys, we have 3 pounds. This is 3 pounds of chicken back. Yeah man, 3 pound a back. Alright. So we hit it with the right amount of grease. And how you know so? We can't burn curry without the flavor of the oil. The oil must be flavored. Highly flavored. You understand? Yeah man. So I could go in with it now. So we're gonna cover and let it spring its own water for about 5 to 6 minutes. Medium flame. Alright people, it's about 8 minutes now since we have turned down the flame and just let it be making its own juice. Now look at the result. Do you want more than that? Huh? Would you look at that? Look at that. All that juice. Look at that. This is how we get to work, people. Make sure you leave in a subscribe, a like. Even if you don't subscribe, you can leave a like. If you don't like me, you can share it. Yeah man, see what your friend think about it. add in with green peppers them and with carrot to spice things up. You understand me? Colorful up your life. Yeah, because them say variety is the spice of life, you know, so. Alright guys, we're back again. So this is like 20 minutes into it, no water. Yeah. If you have an electric stove, mine is on. Yeah man, and you want that char, you know, so trust me, you want that char. So don't watch the char that it's getting. You want that. Alright? Yeah man. So look for your curry chicken back here now. You see that now? Alright, watch out measure here now. So we're gonna wash out the pan. Wash out the pan. And that's about 3 cups of water. Alright? We're just gonna add about 2.5 cup. Yeah. And we're gonna in with the carrots. Bell peppers are gonna go in last. Alright? They're vegetable, we don't cook them till they're soft. You know what this name? Yeah, it'll go in next man. You ever eat it? I'm just gonna throw them on top like that. So yeah, there you have it now. So we're gonna simmer down the curry, you know? Make it nice and proper. Yeah, man, if you can't cook, I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description. So just check down there. Recipe going down there. And the direction going in the video. See it? Already, you know. You know me, it's all about flavor, you know. And flavor in my food, I want to take it back. So here what? I could go in with some butter. Alright? We're gonna saute up some. Look where we have it. So the Tun Cornmeal. We have some yellow onion. Or we call it Spanish onion. You understand? We have some green onion. We call it scallion. We have some red bell pepper. Or red sweet pepper. And we have some green bell pepper or green sweet pepper. Right? And here for some nice little aroma, we got some rosemary. You hear me? You hear me? So yeah, so we have a can of rooster coconut milk. Alright? We'll build flavor from base come up in. You know, what are them chatting? So yeah, coconut milk in. One bouillon. Okay, here we have a cup and a half of we call it coarse cornmeal, like the good cornmeal, you know? Not the refined one, you know. Yeah. And we have over here we have a glass of water, so we're gonna infuse the water inside, because you can't put dry cornmeal in hot liquid. If you know about that, don't ask me. But if you don't, it'll get lumpy. Alright, and once you get lumpy, it's gonna be a fight to fix that. So we don't want that right now. We don't want that. Alright? Let's dig into it. Ready. So watch you now. Cold water in your cornmeal. Alright? Mixing it. Okay guys, so we're back by the pot now. It has come to a boil. Just gonna whisk that and look. Oh, that coconut milk looks so good. You understand me? Yeah man, so we're gonna go in with all our garnishes now. So we got the bell peppers and the green onions, and they're gonna go in the water. You understand me? Alright. For my cornmeal mixture, I'm just looking at the ratio. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the cold water. I'm gonna whisk that in. See what I'm doing? People, I'm gonna tell you this, watch out. The great polenta. Okay guys, I added my bell peppers and I'm gonna mix them in right now.